We're here with Alain Harpin. We didn't have a place to stay. He's gonna walk us through his Airbnb, which happened to be vacant for the weekend. Thank goodness for us. This is a kind of a dual purpose. You've got long-term down below, and then you got this one.
Right.
You wanna walk us through it and tell us about it?
Sure. So these are both 1-bedroom units. Building's about 65 years old. You know, we picked it up a few years ago, and it was in need of some freshening. It's got nice original hardwood floors that we refinished. And then you just have just a central living area.
Got the Wi-Fi password right here. Cool.
Yeah.
I was really impressed with this. I think I'm like 700 calories in right now.
You like those chips too?
Oh yeah, those are the best. The Cape Cod ones.
Aren't they?
Love those. Mm-hmm. I'm actually going there next week.
He's trying to buy something out there right now.
God, I would love some. I played out there for 2 summers.
Baseball?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Major farm league over there.
Elaine, do you do like always this for your guests?
No, we do it for our VIPs.
Love that. Okay, so you know if I see any more missing, no, I'm just kidding. So that's cool. So you guys normally, but you keep it like this
This is what you get every time.
because this looks really nicely appointed.
I can thank my wife. She's the decorator. You know, I have the big picture, and she's the person that puts all the little creature comforts in.
And how much are you getting for a night for it?
Right now we're getting 79 off season, which is a steal.
79 off season during like cruising the coast and stuff like that.
109.
109.
Yeah.
So and it stays occupied a lot.
We were getting about 200 nights a year,
Okay.
and it's slacked off because there's been such an influx of short-term rentals on the coast. In the last few years, just exploded.
Right. Everybody's doing
Everywhere.
it. Let's roll the next unit. So we got this unit right here. It's our washer and dryer, so we can do our clothes. That's good because we actually got dirty laundry. Uh-oh.
Downstairs tenant, we're good.
Okay.
Front door.
Open. So you arm them?
Yeah, but I haven't turned off right now. And so, you know, it's the same unit. It's exactly the same. You know, we put all the same stuff in them. Furniture's a little different, but you know, the kitchens are the same. It's, you know, living areas, you know, same basic layout.
Yeah, it is. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's really cute.
Thank you. We really appreciate that. It's a nice little gem. We like it a lot.
So who stays in here?
So we've got people traveling, nurses, traveling professionals, traveling, you know, upper end blue collar workers that are out here at the port or on some of the plants out here. We've got DuPont, we've got Ingalls, which is a large shipbuilder, you know, in Pascagoula. And then you've got travelers that come and see family. So it's kind of a mixture of everything, but you know, we were surprised at all the long term, I say relatively long term, 30, 60, 90-day people that we really started to get a lot of when we first opened, and it's kind of tapered with all the competition out there.
Right. So you got more competition, so the prices are driving down right now.
More competition, we've had to reduce our prices, so this is a relative. I mean, this is a bargain. 79 bucks a night.
Airbnbs, you like them?
Love them. I love them, but you know, I thought that there'd be better business, but everybody thought there'd be better business, and now it's just the market's saturated. So
Funny thing is, we owned our first one in 2016.
right.
Now you got 7 years and people flooding the market. Everybody's heard about it. Is that your Harley?
No, that's the tenant downstairs. Somebody still in here?
No.
All right, I'm gonna lock up.
So why don't you do the codes on here?
I could. I got the boxes at the office. I just haven't gotten to it yet.
No, you know what I'm talking about? Just the code that like that you don't have to ever.
I know. I got
It's a
those.
Bluetooth one.
They're not Bluetooth. They're mechanical, but they're electronic. I just haven't done it. But
You're old school,
I'm
bro.
old school.
Yeah.
I am definitely. You know me. I'm old school.
So you put all this so nobody'd slip and fall.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna paint it. I just haven't gotten. I'm gonna put a couple porches upstairs. That's what I really want to do. I'm gonna put 2 porches in the back because the building was built for porches. Back side of the property, the windows are actually doors. So the bottom of the windows is actually a panel. Mm-hmm. And so you just take the whole opening out, put a porch on the back of each unit, and I'm gonna do that.
Why would you do that?
Just to get more value out of the thing.
What'd you pay for this place?
80.
80,000.
Yeah, but I about 3 years ago, but I put like 50 in it.
What
50
could you
or
sell
60.
it? What could you sell it today for?
I think it would probably sell for, you know, 190, 200 maybe.
Okay, not a bad return. What do you think the rents are for these? Are you below or above where you should be?
Right now, I'm thinking I'm probably a little below. We should probably be getting 850, 800, but these guys have been there since we moved, since we got the place open, and they've been long-term. It's just 2 single guys. You know, this guy's in the military. He's always gone. So, you know, we just kind of let it ride.
Are these Section 8 rentals or are they?
Oh, no. No. We only want cash.
Is that to dodge the IRS?
No.
I'm just.
No. No, I look at, I love Section 8, but the point is they're much harder on the units, and this is a vacation destination, quasi. I want really just some vacation style business here, and that's really what I'm looking for.
What type of shape are the lower two units in compared to the upper two?
They're brand new. Every single one of them is brand new. The downstairs units have tile flooring. All units are exactly the same,
Awesome.
but we renovated all 4 units.
I think they're great.
Cool, man. Yeah, well, thanks.
All right, let's go.
Hey, thanks for hooking us up with them, dude.
Yeah,
welcome.
thank you very
You're
much.
welcome.
Appreciate that.
Why'd you gotta squeeze my hand so hard?
Sorry, bro.
All right, there we go.